Hi guys, how are you? So I haven't recorded any video for past few months, I believe. I was actually traveling back to New Zealand. So what I have decided is that I just wanted to discuss a new topic called Dynamics FinOps task recording. I've seen that a lot of people are not using it effectively. I feel like if we can use this task recording effectively, we can actually help the newbies, and we can also help the knowledge transfer process when when an old person, the person who already was involved in the project, is leaving and a new person is joining in. You want to do that knowledge transfer properly. So I think this task recording is very helpful. We can use this task recording and also create our own library. Library means our own help menu. So as we go along, I will show you how we can record it, how we can create our own personalized help menu, and how we can provide access to it to the further audience. Okay, so let's go to the agenda first. So we will see how we can create, edit, and play the task recordings. A lot of other videos are also available for this piece, but I'm still going to show you how we can do it. It's just my way of doing it. And second thing is, this is something very important. In this step we will see how we can create our own personalized help menu in FinOps, and and how can we link those recordings with the personalized help menu. I will show that in a while. And the last thing is basically just to provide and access and configure the help menu. It's kind of a system admin job, and it's 2 minute job. I will show you how we can do that. Okay, so first thing is first, we will see this task recording. We will create a task recording, and then we will edit a task recording, and then we will play the task recording before we place this task recording in any of our help menu. Okay, so let's just jump to FinOps. Okay, we need to go to the settings first. Click settings, then go to task recorder. Okay, give the name of the task recording. For example, I want to create a purchase order. I'm going to add a number here, and I will explain you why I have added a number. Okay, so just bear with me, and I will explain you why I have done this. Okay, so it's just a random number. I will explain this number later, and just put create purchase order. Okay, because I want to create a purchase order. I'm gonna click start. So, okay, so whatever I will do right now, system will start capturing those steps. Okay, so if I go to burger menu and my favorites, if I just click all purchase order, my system is a little bit slow, but bear with me. So you see, I have selected my favorite as a purchase order. Okay, I just clicked on it. So system smart enough to know, okay, where is actual the purchase order lies, and I mean it's capturing the whole navigation. So don't worry that if you are clicking on a favorite, it will not capture the whole navigation. It will capture it. Okay, so once that is done, I just gonna click new. I'm gonna step by step select my vendor first. I'm going to select my warehouse, or just type it and tab, and then I'm going to just say okay. Okay, so now I'm going to select my item. This is done. The cost price picked up. I've already set a default price, so that is fine. I'm going to press save. Okay, and I'm going to press confirm. Okay, my operation is complete. I'm gonna stop my task recording and I'm gonna say, okay, save this to my PC first. It is saved, and I'm gonna say return or return to the main menu. So I went to the main menu. What I want to do is now I want to edit my task recording. I created one. Why I want to add it? I want to add it because I missed the step of allocating a charge or maintaining a charge. So I want to add that step. I don't want to recreate the whole thing again. So what I can do is I just go in the edit recording button, just click this hyperlink, browse your click on the open from your the PC. So browse your downloaded file. So I've browsed my file. I just need to select start. So you will see it's open all my steps, right? And if I want to edit the name, naming convention, any instructions to it, I can just press this button and can start adding it. I will show you how we can add that as well. Let me first go and insert the step which I've missed. So scroll to the down. So I want to add a step over here and I press the save button. So I'm going to go and select insert step, click that. So now the task recording is started again, and I'm just gonna use this task recording and record my steps. So first I need to go to maintain charges. I'm going to select my charge fee, for example. Let's select this. I'm going to apply the price 1 and apply 10 as well. That's fine. Press save. Close this. Allocate the charges. Allocate all and just allocate. Charges has been allocated. So now I don't need to press the button confirm because system will have already noted the step confirm, right? So I'm gonna just stop here and press done editing, and then I will save this to the PC as well. So now let's just play that task recording, okay? Then I will show you how we can edit the text in the steps, okay? So let's just play that which we have recorded. Just go to go to play recording. Browse this from your PC again. See, so I just loaded up. I'm gonna just, for the safe side, or just because it's already open, I just want to go to my home page. Click here, and then I'm gonna open the task recording. Okay, let's click on this. See that you're gonna see the system will guide me how to create a purchase order properly. Okay, so let's just click open task recording. Start the task recording. First step, go to procurement, sourcing, purchase order, and all purchase order. So I'm gonna just click here, select my favorite. So the dancing shows that you have done the right step. There is a tick over here, so that's good. So now the system say that just click new. It's asking me to select the vendor. You can type the warehouse in tab. Okay, stick to okay. It's saying that select the item. I'm going to select my item first. Okay, click save. And you guys remember that I have added this recording, and I have just add 2-3 steps for maintaining and allocating charges. The system did pick it up, and now I'm gonna just say maintain charges. Change code, charge code selected. Okay, select the value now. Press tab. Click save. Close this page. Allocate charges. Click here and allocate. See, those steps were in, I edited those steps. Okay, the system did pick it up, guide me properly, and it's asking me to confirm. You can see the purchase order has been confirmed. So all these steps are done right, and this has recorded everything properly. Okay, so the piece where I was talking about how we can edit, text or something, like I just want to change the text. I want the user to understand that you need to select consumable item. It's not important that he should select 100. He can select any of the item, but it should be consumable, right? So this is my example. So how we can do that? Let's see in the system. So we're gonna go again to the edit recording. We're gonna browse our recording. So click over here. It's loaded. Just press start. Okay, so let's go to that step. So this was the step, and what I want to do is I just want to add a note, okay, or a title that please select consumables items. Okay, just put this note here and press save and press OK and press done editing. We have to save this again because I have did the editing, so this will be the new version for it. Save this to PC and let's perform the whole thing again, and let's skip some steps. Let me just skip some steps for you, and let me show you how it's gonna look like. Give me 1 minute. So return to main menu, play recording as guide, browse that recording, open the task guide. Can you see the step number 6 over here? The title is changed, saying that please select consumable item. So when I'm going to run this step, it's going to show me on my text box. Let me just show you that. 1 minute. So now when it's the time to select item, I just skipped some steps. So I just wanted to show you, look, the title has been changed. You can either change the title, either you can actually add more notes, whatever you want, but you can actually put some instructions to the user, the newbie, so you can understand, and just select this purchase order is, for example, for consumable, so please select consumable item, right? So you can change those instructions like that, and you can play with okay, so this step is where we gonna go into the lifecycle services and create or personalize our library. I'm gonna attach this Word document with this video so you can follow that steps, and I'm gonna walk you through the steps right now, but this Word document will be available, or the PDF will be available for your use. Okay, so first step is we need to log in to our LCS. We need to select the project we are working on, and then we have to select this program menu and have to go to business process modular. Okay, select that. Once you select that, you will see your business process libraries. You can create new, name whatever you want to name it, and click save, create. Once that library is created, just click on the hyperlink here and it will open a function like this. I just zoom in a little bit. So what you can do is, there is the concept over here is called process, and then is a concept to create a sibling or a child underneath that process. For example, if you have a process like create a purchase order, that will be considered as a child process, and the main process will be procurement sourcing. This is the way I design it. You can design it the way you want. It's not a problem. It's totally up to you. So I just use those, you know, these things. I just called it 02 as a procurement sourcing process, and underneath I have used a process called create and maintain purchase order. This is again a subheading, and underneath there is an actual process where I'm going to attach or upload my task recording. So see, that's why I've given the name of 020101. So this is my way of doing it. You can design it the way you want. This library, once designed, is very helpful and will be available in the help menu. Okay, so it's your choice how you want to do it. This is my way of doing it, so I'm gonna show you this. So you can just use those options as child. As child will create a sub process in it, and then another sub process to it. Okay. You can also use those fields. You know, the in description I've mentioned main module, and I named this as procurement sourcing. So you can just add those things. Yeah, so this is the step where I'm uploading it. So what you can do is you can just click upload, and then you can browse it, and once you browse it, select your sorry, task recording, and you can just upload that. When you press upload, it will automatically be uploaded, and it's gonna look like this. And what you need to do is you need to mark as a review. Once you mark as a review, it's gonna appear like this. There will be 3 ticks. This whole process is marked. Once this process is marked, this will be available in your custom library, and that means it will be also gonna appear in your help menu. Okay, now we will see how we can set up our help, and for that we need to go to sysadmin and in the help menu. So let me take you there. So sysadmin, and then click on the system parameters. Click on the help. It's going to ask you for this connection. Select OK. Yes, select your library here. Okay, your lifecycle services, sorry, and make sure your library is there. That's it, and press save. It might ask you to refresh your browser, so refresh your browser, please. Okay, so okay, we need to click on help, this question mark, and click on help. Click on task guides. So you can see what I've done is I've searched with my process code. I've selected 02, and system has brought me all my processes related to procurement sourcing. There can be another process which will be like 02, 01, 02, and it will be like create and post or post product receipt, for example. So when we will search with 02, system will bring all the processes of procurement, right? So you can sequence them. This is my way of doing it. You can design it own way. Second thing is, now you can see the help which we created. The library which we created and link it with the help is now available here. That's the end of this video. I hope you're gonna enjoy and like it, and share it, please. Thank you.